Okay, so environmental ones like styrofoam issues. Any other issues? So are there any environmental bills or anything like that that you're aware of that are coming up in the next session that we should be aware of? Or?
Well, actually, Pat, what we'll do is send you some, some of our copies of the Senate goals. But this has been about 3 or 4 years now that we have taken the United Nations Sustainable Goals, the 17 SDGs, and had that as the guidance for the Senate and the legislation we passed. The Aloha Plus Challenge has recognized the Hawaii State Legislature as being leader on these issues and climate change. So when President Trump pulled out of the Paris Treaty, he passed the bill, Governor Ige signed to follow the Paris Accord as being important. We continue to support renewable energy and seek those goals. We have passed legislation to eliminate fossil fuel for vehicles in 2045, I believe. We have that 100% renewable energy goal that we've adopted. And then certainly, Mr. Geegan was on the CIC board, and on Kauai, there have been times where on a sunny day we've got 100% renewable energy on the grid. We are getting close to 70% renewable energy, and the rest of the state is working hard to get to 50. So the island of Kauai is a leader in the state of Hawaii and nationally in renewable energy for our electric grid. And so these are issues I talk about a lot at the Capitol because I can brag about Kauai, and so those are issues that we will continue to look at. We'll probably be meeting on November 5th and bringing again sustainable goals of the United Nations to the forefront of our discussion as we look at legislation. Part of that also is sustainability of agriculture and food security. We are pushing for farm to school. We're pushing for farm to our state hospitals, farm to our prison. Have the state start purchasing what is locally produced to support farmers and agriculture here in Hawaii. And obviously, if you've got something in the ground and you're planting trees, then you are also helping, environment and reducing carbon emissions.